By all standards, the trial of Jendele Hungbo, Dele Odunlami and Segun Ashade are media experts of no mean order in their own rights with impeccable accomplishments. All three were in the course of the outgone week duly honored by the national president of the Radio, Television, Theatre and Arts Workers Union, Ratau, Comrade Yemisi Bangboshe, for their past exploits and current feats in the industry, as the individuals are now established authorities in journalism training, having successfully backed their doctorate degrees in media-related fields. Welcome to the world of doctors Jendele Hungbo, Dele Odunlami and Segun Ashade.
It was a gathering of media experts both at the level of training and practice in honor of three practitioners who are now established authorities in journalism training in various institutions. The trio, Jendele Hungbo, Dele Odunlami and Segun Ashade, are being recognized and celebrated by their colleagues in the media industry on their current achievements. All three are now PhD holders in media-related fields, and the national president of the Radio, Television, Theatre and Art Workers Union, Ratau, Comrade Yemisi Bangboshe, saw the need to accord them due honor.
When they were in OGTV, they also distinguished themselves as brilliant workers of OGTV. And even from that particular time, each of them has explained that they have this tendency of becoming something important in the future.
Comrade Bangboshe also appreciated the corresponding chapel of the Nigeria Union of Journalists, NUJ, for its outstanding support to Ratau and general reportorial efforts. To the General Manager of Ogun State Broadcasting Corporation, LGBC, Engineer Tunde Awolano, who was the occasion chairman, and others in attendance, Doctors Jendele Hungbo, Dele Odunlami and Segun Ashade are outstanding individuals who, by their previous and current feats, have brought pride to journalistic practice, particularly in Ogun State.
I have had very good relationship with the three PhD holders because we work together at OGTV. And I'm not surprised at all that today we are celebrating them. Whatever you are endowed to do it properly. Be yourself all the time. And don't bury your time.
I want to congratulate them because they went to the learning course. And I realized that they have to get this. They have to attain this status because nobody can be recognized. So I want to congratulate you, SARS.
How does it feel to be so honored?
For me, it's a very unique occasion. I really feel I'm humbled actually. I'm very much humbled. I never thought I meant this much to people around me. I never thought I meant this much to the Ratau family, the OGTV family, the OGBC family. Actually to the media family as far as Ogun State is concerned. In a way, it's showing us, teaching us that we should also appreciate those who are around us, those who have made good marks, those who have succeeded in certain areas. So if we do that continuously, we encourage people to grow. I really appreciate it.
Events like this have a way of motivating journalists as professionals to strive for higher goals, particularly in terms of manpower development, capacity building, because that is essentially what we need today to take care of those flaws that people often point fingers at in journalism practice.
Dr. Jendele Hungbo is currently with the University of Witwatersrand, Johannesburg, South Africa, while Dr. Dele Odunlami is of the Olabisi Onabanjo University Agoiwoye, and Dr. Segun Ashade currently works with the Moshood Abiola Polytechnic Abeokuta, and they have all passed through Ogun State Television, LGTV.